and that's 30 degrees. Always check the temperatures before you stick your hand anywhere near there.
Okay.
I've also done that.
How long will it take to heat up, do you think, on this one? Just a couple minutes?
Yeah, this is a very
Well, let's go.
powerful
let's go do
bed and
some-
extruder heaters, and they're going to get there very quickly. Now, in terms of, do you guys remember what the bed needs to be for PLA?
90?
It has to be at the
My
At
opinion
what?
of this drag checking is it doesn't matter quite how hard it drags as long as they're all consistent.
Nope.
the one that it sets itself.
Glass transition.
Okay.
And what's glass transition for PLA? Remember?
Okay, you want to come over here? Okay.
60.
65.
Okay, I guess raise it
So
up
you
a
can set
little
your
bit.
bed to about 65.
Raise the
70 is good. Yeah.
Okay, now bring her over.
70, 65, pretty much anything. Not the extruder. Not, yeah, bed. Exactly.
That's fine.
Make it like 70.
And you think that's far enough over?
Maybe 10 more.
10 more inches?
Okay. And the reason why I said it a little higher is because it has this black build tech on top. Okay. So it's actually preventing some of the heat from getting up. Now, you can touch this. It's warm, you know, but it's not going to hurt you. In fact, on a cold day in a facility like this, I'll spin around a hot bed and go like this. It's not. Okay. Don't do that to the extruder because it's already way too hot for that. It's already 205 degrees. See how fast that went? Okay, now, here's how you put filament in there. You take filament, make sure it's got a nice clean end. You don't like the way it looks.
Move the home section up.
And then, what you want to do is you want to straighten it out,
Zero? Zero.
kind of like this. You put this into this little hole right here.
You may have to do the back one.
Well, then what you do is you push a button over there that extrudes
If
plastic.
the thing
Okay, hold on.
loosens up so that the thumb screw isn't folding at all, you know it's the other one that's bad.
The third control here is the extruder control.
Back,
And
back
what
up
you
there,
do
oh wait.
is you
All of a
extrude
sudden, all of a
1,
sudden,
10,
Why do
50,
you do
or
that?
100 millimeters. So for the first time, we're going to extrude 100
Maybe
millimeters.
it's
Right?
tired.
I'm going to click that one, and you can hear it move. All right, Maddie, put it in the hole,
you're good, aren't you? Nope.
and just see
There,
if it'll
right
catch.
about.
Did you catch?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just wait. Let's see what it does.
I'm in your way, I'll move.
Now, this is the first time we're loading any filament in there, so it's
Yeah,
going to take a
that's-
little bit.
Okay. So
There
get
it
out
goes.
of the way.
Can you see it?
Let's see.
Yeah.
How do you, no, no, I'm
Okay,
trying to
let's do
figure out
another
how to
100.
start it.
Yep.
The actual print. No, 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 we now need to go to
I'll be right back. I'm going to give you some
I
tools.
know we don't because we're gonna print right on front page. Let's see what will happen.
Let's see what happens.
The start print will be up there. Dad, can they start their print? Sure.
You look like you're ready to get out. Yeah.
No, wait, it's, whoa, 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 whoa.
No, that's fine, that's fine. It's just as funny as well.
What you do is you kind of grab
Okay.
the nozzle